Hello students, good morning. Well, today we will do some questions from exercise 4.6. Look at question number 2. As you know that in previous classes we have done question number 1. So today we will do question number 2. Question is, express the following in numerals using brackets. Here you have given the statement, but we need to express the following questions in numerals. Numerals means number, in numbers, okay? And we have to use brackets. Clear? Here question number first. Quotient of 48 and minus 8 multiplied by the difference of 12 and 3. Guys, here there are 3 operations. Quotients means we need to do divide. Multiplied means multiply, and difference means subtracted. Okay. When quotient of 48 and minus 8 multiplied by the difference of 12 and 3, the expression will be this. Look at the required mathematical expression is 48 divided by minus 8 multiplied by 12 minus 3. We need to use bracket. Question is 48 divided by minus 8. The quotient of 48 and minus 8. That means 48 divided by minus 8 multiplied by the subtraction of 12 and 3. So this will be the required mathematical expression. Okay. Now question number 2. Product of 10 and 12. First operation is here product. Second is subtracted. And third is also quotient. Product of 10 and 12 subtracted from the quotient of minus 720 and 3. That means here we have to subtracted. We have to subtracted the product of 10 and 12 from the quotient of minus 720 and 3. So the required mathematical expression will be minus 720 divided by 3 minus 10 multiply 12. According to the question, product of 10 and 12 is subtracted from the quotient of minus 720 and 3. So quotient of minus 720 and 3 will be in this form. Okay. and subtracted the multiple of the product of 10 and 12. Product means multiply. Product of 10 and 12 is subtracted from the quotient of minus 720 and 3. So this will be the current mathematical expression. Okay. Now we will go for next question. Question number 3. Simply find the following. First question is 15 minus small bracket 8 plus 3. We need to simplify 15 minus a small bracket 8 plus 3. So guys, first of all, you have to see the given solution carefully, okay? Here question is 15 minus a small bracket 8 plus 3. So first of all, we need to perform the operation is given in brackets. Okay. So here you have given small bracket. So 15 minus 8 plus 3 we get 11. 8 plus 3 we get 11. Now 15 minus 11 will be 4. Clear? Question number 2. Question is 12 minus 15 divide 3 plus 2. There is no any bracket. So guys, first we need to perform the division. Why? Because when we apply the BODMAS theorem, BODMAS means B for bracket, O for of, and D for division. So there will be division first. Okay. So 12 minus 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 we get 5. 3 5 is 15 plus 2. Okay. Now second operation will be plus. 12 plus 2 we get 14. 14 minus 5 we get 9. Clear? Now question number 3 is given here. 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 7 of 3 minus a small bracket 9 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 2 small bracket curly bracket. So 9 is 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 7 of 3 minus a small bracket 9 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 2 we get minus 3. 6 divided by 2 we get 3. Here we need to perform division first. When we do inside the brackets operation, okay? Next 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 7 of 3 minus 9 plus 2 11. 11 minus 3. Okay. 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 7 of 3 minus, now 11 minus 3 we get 8. Next 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 7 of means multiply, of means multiply 3 minus 8. 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 7 3 ja 21 minus 8. Next 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 21 we get 27 minus 8. 9 plus 27 minus 8 we get 19. Now we add 9 plus 19 is 28. So this is your answer. Clear? So guys, first of all we need to be performed the brackets inside the brackets operation. Okay, so I hope you will understand this safety speak, and you all have to need practice more. So guys, I request you, please see the given assignment properly, carefully, and then you will do in your notebook. Clear? That's all. Thank you.